In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to your Shopify store. Having a custom domain helps your store look more professional and builds trust with your customers. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Domains. This section is where you manage all domains connected to your Shopify store. Next, click on Connect Existing Domain. This option allows you to connect a domain you already purchased from a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Now enter your custom domain name into the field provided. Make sure you type the domain correctly to avoid connection issues. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will then show you the DNS settings you need to update with your domain provider. Go to your domain registrar account and update the DNS records as instructed by Shopify. Usually, this involves changing the A record and CNAME record. Once the DNS changes are complete, return to Shopify and wait for the domain to verify. This can sometimes take a few minutes or up to 48 hours depending on your provider. After verification, you can set the new domain as your primary domain by clicking Set as Primary. Finally, click Save to apply all changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected a custom domain to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.